In a decision that could affect millions of Americans, a federal judge in Texas has just reversed a major move by the Biden administration that was meant to help people struggling with medical debts. So, what happened and why it matters? Let's talk about that. Earlier this year, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, an independent agency, introduced a new bill. It didn't cancel anybody's debt, but it would have made a huge difference in how medical debt appears on credit reports. Under the rule, around $50 million worth of medical debts would have been erased from credit reports, helping nearly 15 million Americans. Now, this could have been made it easier for people to get approved for loans, credit cards, or even a mortgage. In fact, the CFPB estimated that these changes could help an extra 22,000 people buy homes every single year, and it would also boost average credit scores by 20 points. Now, for somebody trying to rent an apartment, buy a car, or secure a job, that 20 points increase could be life-changing. But now that plan has been stopped. The person responsible? Judge Sean Jordan, a federal judge appointed by United States President Donald Trump. In his ruling, he said that Fair Credit Reporting Act, the law that guides how credit information is handled, does not give the CFPB the power to block medical debts from credit reports. Wait. For better understanding, in simple terms, the judge said that the Biden administration overstepped its legal authorities. Well, this ruling is a big setback, specifically for the people who are still drowning in medical bills through no fault of their own. Remember, medical debt is one of the leading causes of bankruptcy in the US, and many of these debts come from emergencies, accidents, and surprise bills, even for people who do have insurance. And wait, here is something very important. The rule was introduced just before ex-President Joe Biden took office, and many hoped that it would be a lasting shift in how financial systems treat people with health-related debts. But now, under Trump, unless there is a higher court appeal or a new law passed by Congress, medical debts will stay on credit reports, and it will continue to hurt people's credit scores. Still, not all hope is lost. The judge noted that while the CFPB can't force credit agencies to drop medical debts, it can still encourage lenders and credit bureaus to consider other type of data, like rent payments or utility bills, when calculating their credit scores. So, what's the takeaway? The takeaway is that if you are somebody carrying medical debt, now this particular decision means that your credit score might not improve the way that you hoped. But it also highlights a bigger fight over how America deals with healthcare, debts, and financial fairness.